My name is Erika Twani. I'm the CEO of Learning One-to-One and author of Becoming Einstein's Teacher. I believe every child is a genius. In this video, we're going to talk about standardized testing, pros and cons. The pros is simple. It served us up to now. We're good. There are several cons, but I want to talk about some of them with you today. In the world that we're living today, where everything is personalized, you have my Facebook wall, you have my Instagram, you have my YouTube channel, education is still lacking on the personalization, right? So, although there are a lot of effort that we can see happening into personalizing education, we are still not paying enough attention on personalizing assessment, personalizing the way that students are evaluated on the things that they know. So in the education system today, we have constant time and variable quality. So you know that you have to complete one full grade in 10 months in a year, and you get to the end of the year with an A, with a C, with a D, with a B, different quality. So it's the same thing like if I tell you, for example, if you're going to fly through a storm, you know you're going to fly through a storm, and you know that the pilot is a C pilot, would you fly with that pilot? Probably not. Or even have an open heart surgery with a C doctor, you wouldn't like to have that either. So why do we allow children to get to the end of the year, constant time, with a variable quality? At the end of the year, they haven't actually learned everything they had to, right? So this is a challenge for us today. How do we make sure that we get to the end of the year with all the knowledge that they have to have in order to be successful in life? The right way to do it would be constant quality and variable time. So regardless of the time that a child takes to learn something, we give them freedom to explore, we give them freedom to find the answers. They'll always get to the highest excellence level. Therefore, whatever they're learning in life, they will thrive to excellence. And that's the way assessment should look like in the school system. So I talk a lot more about this in my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, with tons of examples and tools that teachers and parents can use with their children. So pick up the book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher, watch more videos, subscribe, like, and comment below. Look forward to hear from you and see you in the next video.